So, day 2 of my electronic sound advent calendar. No soldering required. And what do we get? I love how that represents the Hayes manual signature logo. It's meant to. So, day 2. I've already got kind of an inclination as to what day 2 is going to be. So let's have a look. Managed to not dig my thumb into the thumb hole. And we have a breadboard and another button. Okay, so now we've got 2 buttons and a breadboard, as well as your batteries and your LED. And what does it say in today's booklet section? Got the booklet. Day 2, a breadboard. Yeah, we've seen these kind of breadboards before. I've got a few of those in my cupboard. And a push button. Talks about the grid, the contacts, 230 in the middle, which are these ones. It shows these nice lines showing how the contacts are wired. It's quite interesting that they've wired... Oh, I see why they've wired it this way. So they've wired it there because they haven't got any additional jump wires to do that. Hold leads near the end, push them perpendicularly and minimal force. We get that. Tweezers helpful. 4 contacts on the push button. They're making sure you put it this way, so that's quite good that they've shown this diagram. Actually, I like that diagram. Batteries must not be inserted until it's completely assembled, otherwise you might accidentally short circuit. Remove the batteries again. Well, I've kind of removed them in that I removed one. Oh, and there was the button. So we've got 2 buttons now. Let me see. So they've suggested we put the LED down here, and I'm just going to splay the leg just a tiny bit, just enough to insert it in that breadboard. Okay, and pop this in that way. Okay. Right, well, I guess it's time to undo the at least some of the knotting in the battery wires. Now these battery wires, they're tinned, so they could go into the battery on. Oh no, they're actually single core, which makes them good for breadboarding. So it's when you get the multi-core wires, they're not so good for breadboarding. Okay, we'll pop that in there. It doesn't really matter where along this row I put it. That one there, and again, it doesn't matter where along this column I put it. Pop that there, and it won't light, of course, because I need one more battery. Oh, there we go. And we have it. Oh, that's bright, isn't it? That's intensely bright. There we go. That was relatively easy. Hoping we get something more exciting tomorrow, maybe something with some noise. Bye!